Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to invite people to a Zoom meeting directly from your mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Zoom app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, go ahead and start a meeting by tapping on the Start Meeting button. This will launch your video call and prepare your meeting room for participants to join. Now, once your meeting has started, tap anywhere on your screen to bring up the meeting controls at the bottom. You'll see several options appear here that allow you to manage different aspects of your meeting. From these controls, locate and tap on participants. This opens up the participants panel where you can see who's currently in the meeting and manage invitations. Next, at the bottom left of the participants panel, you'll see an option labeled Invite. Tap on it to access your invitation options. This is where Zoom gives you multiple ways to share your meeting link with others, making it flexible based on how you prefer to communicate with your invitees. After tapping Invite, you'll be presented with several sharing options. These include Messages, Gmail, Invite Zoom Contacts, Invite Common Areas, or simply copy the invite link to share it elsewhere. Each option connects to a different app or feature on your phone, so you can choose whichever method works best for reaching your intended participants. For this example, we'll tap Messages, but feel free to select your preferred option from the list based on how you normally communicate with the people you want to invite. Once you've selected Messages, you'll be taken to your messaging app. In the upper right corner, tap the magnifying glass icon to search for a contact. This opens up the search functionality, allowing you to quickly find the person you want to invite without scrolling through your entire contact list. Now, tap the text field at the top and type in the name, phone number, or email of the person you want to invite to your Zoom meeting. As you type, matching results will start appearing below the search field. When you see the correct contact appear in the results, go ahead and tap on it to select them as your recipient. After selecting your contact, tap Next in the bottom right corner. This confirms your recipient selection and prepares the invitation message to be sent. Finally, tap the Send button in the bottom right to send the invitation link to your selected contact. They'll receive a message containing all the details they need to join your meeting, including the meeting link and any relevant access information. And that's it. You've successfully invited someone to your Zoom meeting from your mobile app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.